Raj and John, it's quiz time. Today we're making red-eye gravy. Today we're making country ham with red-eye gravy. And what I gotta do is I have a country ham here, a little 6-ounce ham. What we're gonna do is just start trimming up the fatty pieces here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cook down those fatty pieces, and then we cook the whole ham and everything. And what I did is I'm gonna put this on medium-high heat. What I did is I took these little fat pieces and I already cut them off. We don't want to waste anything. And then we're gonna put the country ham in the skillet here, and we're gonna cook it up. Now that we got this start cooking up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start putting in some butter. I guess you can put the butter in at the very beginning. We just need some more fat in there. So we'll work on some melted fat. Get the butter all nice and mixed in there. And what we're going to do is we're going to cook the ham about 3-4 minutes on each side. Now once you got your ham cooked up, that's just a minute there. Nice cooked. But yeah, once you got your ham all cooked up, you're gonna go ahead and take it out and put on a plate and set it aside. We're still going to leave that heat on. You see, I removed it all. Got these little guys right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to deglaze the pan. We're going to take half a cup of coffee. Go ahead and mix that around. Then you're going to put your 4th cup of beef broth in there. And this is where the red eye comes in. As it starts developing the red eye. I thought at first this recipe was because, I don't know, it makes it like it's something you'd have after you've had an all-nighter or something. Coffee and the beef broth. Kind of see it forms a little red eye there. And kind of cook that up for a minute or so, and we'll be right back. You can see here I got the gravy all done. That's about the consistency that I like to have it about. Cook down a little bit. Got some good pieces over there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put the whole plate together and put this on top of the country ham, sorry, and then we'll have a taste test. Got the red eye gravy. I got the country ham. Of course, I'm going to pour it over the red eye gravy. I'm going to pour it all over everything, because everything's split better with some gravy on it. Then let's go ahead and let's give this a try. Here's my country ham with some red eye gravy. That's so good. You get all the drippings off there. You really don't, but I like coffee, but you don't get a whole lot of coffee, I guess, through there. I mostly get the from the beef base, or the beef broth, sorry. You get the beef broth, you get, so it's somewhat salty, it's somewhat strong, but it's very good. Especially the country ham. You give the country ham, the right kind of flavor. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I have the recipe down below. And if you did like it, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. And rise and shine, it's quiz time.